Hey guys!
Welcome back to the Chemistry Kitchen Corner
With your hosts,
Diana Corzine
and Juliana Nguyen.
So today we're going to be making galaxy ice cream.
Otherwise known as activated charcoal ice cream.
Let's get into it!
The ingredients you will need are 2 cups of heavy cream, 2 cups of half and half, a half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mint extract, 4 tablespoons of black food coloring, a 1/4 cup of activated charcoal, and dry ice. First, take your dry ice and place it into a large freezer bag. Make sure to leave about a 1-inch opening.
Dry ice is a solid form of carbon dioxide. It changes phases from a solid directly to a gas state, skipping the liquid phase, which is also known as sublimation. In this recipe, we will use sublimation as a tool to perform rapid heat transfer. Using crushed dry ice will rapidly transfer the heat energy from the liquid ice cream base into the surrounding atmosphere as it changes from a solid to a gas.
One of the main aspects in chemistry is combining different substances. A mixture is made when 2 or more substances are combined, but they are not combined chemically. Sometimes combining substances can cause a chemical reaction and bonding, which creates an entirely new substance called a compound. Table sugar, or sucrose, is an example of a compound. It is a disaccharide, a molecule composed of 2 monosaccharides, glucose and fructose.
Here we are adding in activated carbon, also known as activated charcoal, which is a form of carbon processed to have low volume pores, which increases its surface area to absorb and react to chemicals. Activated carbon binds materials through van der Waals force or London dispersion forces.
The London dispersion force is the weakest intermolecular force. It is a temporary attractive force that results when the electrons in 2 adjacent atoms occupy positions that make the atoms form temporary dipoles. All molecules, whether they are nonpolar or polar, have London dispersion forces. Here you can see the sublimation. As the dry ice is broken up, it changes directly into a gas.
Now the question left is, why does pouring/adding dry ice to a substance freeze it? The thermodynamic process of releasing energy from food is what takes place when making ice cream. Thermal energy exists in everything around us, and that heat energy is constantly in motion through all phases of matter. Heat energy has to be transferred out of ice cream in order for it to freeze. When heat energy leaves the liquid ice cream base by being transferred to something colder nearby, like dry ice, its room temperature molecules slow down and arrange themselves into fixed positions, turning the cold substance that was once liquid into a solid. Thermal energy in the form of heat either flows into a system or out of a system.
The bubbles here are evident that a chemical reaction is occurring. The phase change of the ice cream base turning from a liquid to a solid is an example of a physical change.
Ta-da! So you have your galaxy ice cream finished and ready to eat. Don't forget to add sprinkles. How's it taste?
It's good. It's
It
cold.
really?
It actually is good.
Oh my gosh, look at that.